Good day everyone, welcome back to our class, and our lesson for today is all about the continuation of our lesson number 1, vertebrates. So for today, we will discuss the characteristics of the reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. Their skins are covered with thick scales that protect them from drying out. They have lungs for breathing, which they use since birth. All reptiles except snakes have legs. So all the reptiles have their legs except snakes. Reptiles reproduce sexually, a type of reproduction that requires male and female reptiles to produce their young. Fertilization takes place inside the body of the female reptile, who then lays shelled eggs on land. A few snakes and lizards are viviparous. The young hatch inside the mother's body and are born alive. The mother reptiles do not take care of their young. They just leave the eggs and allow the sun to incubate them until they hatch and survive on their own. Some bury their eggs. Reptiles are the most feared vertebrates because of their appearance and the danger they pose to man. Turtles and tortoise are protected by hard shell both above and below their bodies. They have horned beaks but no teeth. Turtles live in fresh and salt water. Their limbs are flippers, which they use for swimming, and they are on land only to lay their eggs. While tortoise live the longer, live on land, their limbs are shorter and heavier. They use their feet and horny claws for clawing and digging. Next, reptiles are crocodiles and alligators. Both live in shallow water. They have large jaws and sharp teeth. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils all lie on top of their head. The crocodile head is triangular with a snout and with teeth sticking out when its mouth is closed. While alligators, the alligator has a broad head with a rounded snout, and its teeth are tucked inside its mouth. Snakes and lizards make up the largest group of living reptiles. Generally, their body structures are alike, but there are also differences between them. To snakes, snakes are vertebrates without limbs. They have a long, flexible body with the skin covered by scales. They are meat eaters and most of them eat their food alive. Their teeth are very sharp. They have hollow teeth called fangs, which they use for injecting poison into their prey before swallowing them. Snakes can disconnect their jaw bones, enabling them to swallow animal about 4 to 5 times their size. While lizards Lizards are also like snakes in many ways, but they have two pair of legs, unlike the snakes without legs. Their bodies are also flexible and are covered with scales. Chameleon is one of the familiar example of lizard. Chameleon it has a ability to camouflage or blend with its environment. When chameleon goes to a trunk, it will turn its color to the color of the trunk, which is brown. That is the chameleon. So thank you for listening. I hope you learned something about reptiles. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Goodbye.